The ERC20 VEGAS blockchain master contract has been documented within FBI databases. These filings help associate proper bureaucratic flows for processing for operations regarding ERC20 Corporate Governance. Additional ERC20 VEGAS information is also documented with a receipt such as General Organization Synopsis, LVJC governance strings, order ID number, entity name. This allows proper data flows to occur for Five Eyes, a U.S. security firm that overviews security risks within the United States. By providing information regarding these deedless entities, it helps associate a connection between ERC20 VEGAS, $USD fiat contracts, and documented data for legality purposes. Due to the nature of ERC20 VEGAS and its design, the HDFC Banking Corporate Governance Certificate flows through its processing and is absorbed by the transaction system due to $USD fiat and the master contract's installation location. ERC20 Corporate Governance initiates a mass carpet and legalizes international banking certificates that create a flow from the U.S. Federal Reserve to help guide governance processing for standard civilians within deedless territories. The ERC20 VEGAS blockchain master contract is a catch-all that allows attempted societal infrastructures to be completed and connected within its bureaucracy. This includes digital and physical. ERC20 VEGAS allows third-party certificates to be installed within justice systems and expels outward from behind justices, allowing all U.S. government tiers to be connected in a proper fashion with proper documented monitoring within its transactions during executed operations.